Hello everyone, my dear students of first year. Today we are going to start a new concept, a random variable, or it is also called stochastic variable. Means now we are building our concept towards stochastic process. So output of today's video is understand the concept of random variable and probability density function. So these two outputs we set in front of us. Okay, let us start. Random variable. Let S be a sample space, then a function x, from S to R is called random variable. Function x from S to real number R. Now, what I want to say that you have to keep in your mind. Function, random variable is a function. Which function? S to R. Let us take one example so that you will get the concept of random variable. आपण एक example घेऊया सरळ. If I toss a coin twice, दोन वेळेस मी कॉइन टॉस केला. If I toss a coin twice, then what is the sample space? I get both heads, then one head, one tail head and tail. So this is your sample space. Now I just take my x. X is the random variable I have to take. So I select my x for obtaining head or selecting head. In this sample space, if you see carefully, in the first one, how many heads are there? 2. In the second one, 1 head. In the third one also, 1 head. And in the fourth one, both are TT, 0 head. Means I get numbers. Instead of HHTT, I get now numbers. Which are the numbers? 0, 1 and 2. You may write that 1, 1, no problem. But if you write 1 once, one time, then also it is okay. So I get 0, 1, 2. These are the random variables. 0 is a random variable, 1 is a random variable and 2 is the random number. 0, 1, 2 are the random numbers. And if I take here x1, x2 and x3 notation, if I take x1, x2, x3 notation for this, then these variables are called random variables. Means a variable which is associated with random number are called random variables. येतंय का लक्षात? We assign a number to each point of sample space. These numbers are called random numbers and x is called random variables. Means variable associated with random number is called random variables. आपण अजून क्लिअर करूया concept. Let us clear the concept here. Suppose P of x1, probability of x1. P of x1, probability of x1. x1 समजा मी घेतला 0. P of 0. Because 0, 1, 2 आलेला आहे ना आपला x मध्ये. Our x contains 0, 1, 2. So I take 0 and for that I select variable x1. P of x1, that is P of 0. Means probability that the space contains no event contains means no head. Probability that no head appear. आता सांगा बरं इथे किती येईल probability no head appear? Only 1 is there. So 1 upon 4. Total number of outcomes are 4 and favorable number only 1. So probability is 1 by 4. So instead of I'm taking it P of 0 equal to 1 by 4, I take P of x1 is equal to 1 by 4. Or P of 0, no problem. येतंय लक्षात? Second way, probability that only one head is appear, P of x2. That is P of 1. Only one head. Only one head. Outcomes are 2. So 2 by 4 probability. That is 1 by 2. Last one. Both are head. Both are head. Yes, Kyle. 1 by 4 is the probability. If you add all, then you will get all probabilities. Sum of all probabilities is equal to 1. Got it? Now these random variables are divided into two parts. Random variable, we generally use the notation x. In further, we take y also. X and y be the two random variables. Then to avoid confusion, keep in your mind x1, x2, x3 we use for x, and y1, y2, y3 we use for y. So no confusion there. So these are the random variables. Random variable लक्षात आलं ना? Variable associated with random number किंवा variable associated with तुमचा sample space. आता if I take a die, then p of 1, p of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are the random variables. Got it? ठीक है. This random variable is divided into two parts. One is discrete and second one is continuous. Discrete random variable and continuous random variable. Simple. Discrete random variable means finite number of random variables. If I count it, x1, x2, x3, or 1, 2, 3, up to 100, up to 1000, we can easily count it. So countable numbers, finite numbers, the random variable that takes on a finite or countably infinite number of values. Countably infinite means we can count it. Finite numbers, finite number of values, then we call discrete random variables. म्हणजे त्याची ॲडिशन करणं आपल्याला सोपं होईल. We can easily add. Now continuous. Continuous means infinite. A random variable which takes continuous or infinite number of values. Infinite number of values. Then we call continuous random variables. Means their addition is not possible. Summation, we can't take a summation. For that we have to use integration. This is the basic difference. Now very important concept we have to study. For both random, continuous as well as discrete, we will see this concept at a time. Probability distribution function. For that, let me explain in a different way so that you can easily understand it, and then we will turn towards the definition. So first, try to understand the concept which I am going to tell you. Concentrate everybody. Probability distribution function has two types. One is probability mass function, PMF, probability mass function, and probability density function, PDF. PMF and PDF. PMF, it is for a discrete random variable. Discrete random variable. And PDF is continuous random variable. PDF is for continuous random variable. Same concept. Only one is for discrete, that's why we called it as PMF, and one is for continuous, we called it as PDF. Correct? And from that we can write cumulative distribution function. Let us first define what is meant by probability function or a probability mass function. As we solve one example here, in that x is equal to 0, 1, 2, I get, and probabilities also I can find. I have found there. Have you remember? For 0 I get probability 1 by 4. For 1 I get probability 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. And for 2 I get probability again 1 by 4. Correct? येतं ना लक्षात? Then the function x and f of x. F of x means probability, p of x. f of x is also called as p of x. Function नाव द्यायचं आपल्याला म्हणून f of x दिले. So here 0, 1, 2, then 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So this representation, हे जे टेबलमध्ये रिप्रेझेंटेशन केलं ना, in table x and f of x, this x and f of x is called probability function, or you may call probability mass function. Probability mass function if the variables are discrete, and probability density function if the variables are continuous. So in general, how I write this? I can write that x, capital X, and f of x, or you may write p of x, no problem. x1, x2, dot, xn. Here काय येईल सांगा? f of x1 or p of x1, then f of x2, dot, f of xn. So this representation is called probability mass function or probability density function. दुसरं काही लक्षात ठेवायचं नाही, एवढंच लक्षात ठेवा. This representation is called probability mass function or probability density function. आणखीन क्लिअर करा. Here, if I add all summation f of x, म्हणजे सम ऑफ ऑल प्रोबॅबिलिटीज आपण चेक केलं आहे, इट इज 1. Summation f of x is equal to 1 means f of x1 plus f of x2 plus dot 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 f of xn केलं तर ॲडिशन काय येईल 1. सेम वे इंटिग्रेशन, इफ आय टेक इंटिग्रेशन फॉर कंटिन्युअस फंक्शन आय रिक्वायर इंटिग्रेशन. सो इंटिग्रेशन f of x from minus infinity to plus infinity is also 1. f of x dx. Integration minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. Now in some book, instead of f of x, you may get the notation p of x, or you may get the notation f suffix x of x. f suffix x of x. का? आपल्याला y पण वापरायचं आहे पुढे, त्यामुळे f y of f suffix y of y or f suffix y of x. Like that. So you may use any notation. I have given both notations in my videos, but I am going to use simple notation f of x, f of y, like that. You may use any one. Have you understood the concept? Now turn towards the definition. No need to understand this definition because already we have understood x is the random variable, means x has x1, x2, xn dot dot dot. Then the probability p of x equal to xk means p of x is equal to f x of xk. For particular xk they have mentioned. Instead of that, just keep in your mind f of x is equal to p of x. P of x is equal to f of x and summation of f of x is 1. Then we called it as probability density function. If integration is there minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is equal to 1, then it is called probability density function. लक्षात आलं ना? मास फंक्शन अँड डेन्सिटी फंक्शन. नाव cumulative distribution functions we have to study. Let us start now cumulative distribution function. Capital F of x. Cumulative distribution function. Capital F of x is the derivative of d by dx of small f of x. Cumulative distribution function is d by dx of small f of x. Simple. It is called cumulative distribution function. Or in another way, for discrete variables, if I take a discrete variable, discrete variables has x1, x2, dot 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 xn values. Barabar. And then probabilities are there. f of x1, f of x2, f of xn. Then this capital F of x is equal to summation of all probabilities. Summation of f of x, xk is less than or equal to x. Summation of all probabilities xk is less than or equal to x. Or you may call capital X is less than or equal to x. X is less than or equal to x. No problem. You may use anything. Between minus infinity to plus infinity. हे इन असं लक्षात आलं, सिंपल वे, कीप इन युअर माइंड. f of x is equal to 0, minus infinity is less than x is less than x1. For negative number it is 0. Then f of x1, कुठून x1 पासून, x1 is less than or equal to x is less than x2. म्हणजे x1 पासून x2 पर्यंत f of x1 probability. Then f of x1 plus f of x2. बघा दोन ॲड झाले, f of x1 plus f of x2. कधी x2 is less than or equal to x is less than x3. Similar way काय येईल, f of x1 plus f of x2 plus f of x3. x3 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to less than x4. स्ट्रिक्टली पुढची साईड जी ती स्ट्रिक्टली लेस दॅन. येतं आहे का लक्षात? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड cumulative frequency distribution. Take it. Cumulative frequency distribution. Whatever I have explained. Or you may write in terms of summation xk is less than or equal to x f of x. And for continuous random variables, it is d by dx of f of x. Now, how we define for continuous? That is also we required. Keep in your mind this formula. For continuous random variable f of x, capital F of x, instead of f suffix x of x, keep in your mind this one. F of x is equal to integral minus infinity to x f of x dx. Keep in your mind this formula. Integral minus infinity to x f of x dx. कशासाठी? Continuous random variable. Again, minus infinity to plus infinity, it is 1. Now, suppose I have this integral. Suppose I have to find probability lies between p of a is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to b. अशी तुम्हाला probability काढायची. Lies between a and b is equal to integral a to b f of x dx. फॉर्म्युला नीट लक्षात ठेवा, लिहून ठेवा. p of, write down this formula carefully. p of a is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to b is equal to integral a to b f of x dx. Correct? Density function लक्षात आलाय. Small f of x is called density function. Small f of x is equal to d by dx of capital F of x. मी मध्ये उलट लिहिलं वाटतं, तुम्ही तेवढं क्लिअर करून घ्या. स्मॉल एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ कॅपिटल एफ ऑफ एक्स. मी तिथे उलटं लिहिलं आहे, जस्ट टेक इट केअरफुली. स्मॉल एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ कॅपिटल एफ ऑफ एक्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड PDF. Now we will solve some problem in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.